To include audio directions within a Google Classroom assignment, unfortunately, there isn't an audio option within Google Classroom, but there are a few different ways you could go about it. So I'm going to show you 3 ways, and you could kind of choose which one feels good to you. So if this was my assignment, reading assignment, and the directions were, please read chapter 2 of your book, then write a response in your reading response journal. One way that you could add audio is to go to QuickTime, which is an app that is just on all of our MacBooks, and record through there. You would do that by going to the top, clicking File, New Audio Recording, click the record button, and then I would read my directions. So I would say, 1, please read chapter 2 of your book. 2, then write a response of your reading response journal. And then I would hit stop. I would title that document. So, oops. I'm going to pause this for a minute. Okay, and so to save it, I'm going to go to File and Save. And then I'm going to title it Test Directions Audio. And then it's being saved into my documents. And so now I can just go back to my assignment in Google Classroom, go to Add, File, and then find that document by selecting from my device. And I remember that it's saved into Documents. So there it is, Test Audio Directions. And I can open it, upload it, and it will take a minute, but then it will be there. The next option of how you could do audio directions is there is a website called SpeakPipe. So if you just search for it, it will bring it up, speakpipe.com. There is a free voice recorder. And so what's nice about this is it's web-based, so you don't have to go through the process of saving a file. You can just share the URL link to it. So for example, I would click on that Start Recording. Okay, step 1, please read chapter 2 of your book. And then step 2, please record a response in your reading response journal. Click stop when you're done, listen to it if you want, and then click save. And then I can just type in my name. And so then what it does is it provides a link that you can share to the student via Google Classroom. So add link and paste that link. And then when the student clicks on that link, it would bring them to a web page that would look like this, where they can click start recording, and listen to your message. Another option is Flipgrid has a new feature called Shorts. And so those are essentially quick, short little videos that you can record. And you don't have to go through the whole process of setting up an entire grid. So the way you do that is once you're in your Flipgrid, at the very top, you click on the tab that says Shorts, and then you can record a short. What's nice about this option is that it does have the visual of you. And we know how much body language and things like that play into communication. So then you could record your video. Step 1, read chapter 2. Step 2, record your response in your reading response journal. Blah, 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 whatever the directions are. Click next. Take a picture. Click next. And then you can share that link by, let's see, how do I do that? Okay, so right at the bottom, if I just click on that short, there's also a link or an icon where you can share it directly to Google Classroom. But if you want to share it within an assignment that you are already working on, you could just do it this way. So same thing, go to add, file, oops, not file, sorry, link, and then post it there. So then this is what the student would see. Obviously, you wouldn't have all 3. You would choose just one. One other option is to just do the audio and not the written directions.